So, for this one here, I can see all these numbers are in the 5 times table. So, 5x squared divided by 5 is 1x squared. 40 divided by 5 is 8. And 60 divided by 5 is 12. I now need to go back and refactor this. So, x squared, I know I'm going to do x and x. I also know both signs are going to be the same, and they're both going to be positive, so I could fill that in as well. So, two numbers that multiply to make 12, but add to make 8, and with a little experimentation you should find 2 and 6 works very well. That's it for the first one. Also, you've got to make sure you finish all of these though. So for the second section, I'll do the middle one again. So I notice all these are in the 2 times table this time. So 2x squared divided by 2 is x squared, 6 divided by 2 is 3, and 36 divided by 2 is 18. Now, as it starts with x squared again, I can go ahead and put an x in each set of parentheses. I know the sign's going to be different for this question, so I could go ahead and put 1 plus and 1 minus straight away as well. Two numbers that times to make 18, but subtract to make 3, and you should find 6 and 3 would work very nice for that. As I want to finish with positive 3, I want to do positive 6, take away 3. And you should finish off the other ones for this as well. For the third section, I'll do the middle one again. 3, 3 and 16, well I notice that's 3 as a factor. 3x squared divided by 3 is x squared. 3x divided by 3 is x. And 36 divided by 3 is 12. Now as I got x squared here, I'm going to factor this one as well, so I'm going to put x and x. This time, two numbers that times to make 12 and subtract to make, well, it doesn't look like there's a number there. So remember, when there is no number, it's going to be 1. Also, I know the signs are different here, so I could go ahead and fill in a plus and a minus here too. So two numbers that times to make 12, subtract to make 1, or really negative 1, I guess. 4 and 3 should work nicely for that. And if I do it carefully to get negative 1, I should do 3, take away 4. If you did 4, take away 3, that would give you positive 1, which is not what we're looking for here. And for our last section, this is the one just with 2 terms. So I can see both of these divide by 2. 98 divided by 2 is 49. And I recognise 49 as a perfect square, and I think it was one we actually had earlier today. So 49 is 7 times 7. Signs are going to be different. And as you can see, you can do these questions fairly quickly once you know what you're actually doing for this. So I've done 4 of those questions. You can still do the remaining 16 for your homework.